Chapter 26. The Vortex. Irava. Air gathers to Nikolai and crackles with a tangible energy. The storm protesting his attempts to manipulate it. I squint through the gathering wind as Nikolai waves his hands about, plucking at multiple threads of reality with each. His brow is furrowed in tight concentration. This sort of weaving is dangerous, even for me, and Toravan watches me, because he knows. He knows I'm tense, and that this is all probably a bad idea. Where is Master Uldrick? I break my gaze from Nikolai, to search the courtyard and find Master Uldrick across it, toward the Dowager's group. The Dowager is looking up at the sky too, her face serene. Master Uldrick meets my eyes, and I'm not sure what that means, but he doesn't seem eager to do anything about this himself, if he even can. I watch, my heart hammering in my throat, as Nikolai, again, begins to lose control of his magic. I don't hesitate. It might be my end at court, but a miswoven storm could become a hurricane. I've read about it happening, but I've never seen it, and I don't want to see it today. The threads of reality around Nikolai are already greedily trying to undo whatever he's doing. The oncoming storm is growing stronger, thunder crackling, making a few of the courtiers scream. In an ordinary storm, that might be ridiculous, or at very least, an overreaction. In this storm, though, they are right to be afraid. This storm has so much reality gathering behind it, lashing out at Nikolai's attempts to change it. I step up beside Nikolai and focus on the threads of reality above us, plucking his own threads out of the air and bundling them into rain. Because rain will be inconvenient, but not deadly, and not so far from where the storm wants to go. No, Nikolai shouts and swipes a hand to grab all of the threads I've taken back. I only just manage to hold on to my own illusion, as Caleb, stumbling back a step as reality twangs back on me like a bowstring. "Nikolai, don't!" I yell, as he only pulls on the storm harder. The wind is picking up, the clouds performing an ominous swirl not far overhead. The rain is hitting my spectacles. I can't see. I rip them off and shove them in my jacket pocket, weaving quickly around my eyes to correct the reality of my vision so I can see again. I shove both hands back up to the sky. I don't try to take Nikolai's threads this time, but weave around them. Toravan steps up beside me. "What is happening?" he asks. I don't have the concentration to both deal with him and try to stop Nikolai. But I snap. He's calling the storm, not unraveling it. "Can I help?" Valtair tries to pull Toravan back. "Please, Tor, your majesty." Gods, and I've just snapped at the king in public. But the wind gusts, and Valtair's voice is nearly lost in the howl. Will anyone even remember that? Will Toravan?